What is Accounts Payable Turnover Ratio? Accounts Payable Turnover Ratio is a financial ratio that shows how quickly a company pays its suppliers. In simple words, it tells us how many times a business pays its unpaid bills during a specific period. This ratio helps measure how efficiently a company manages its payments to vendors. When a company buys goods or services on credit, the amount owed becomes accounts payable. The Accounts Payable Turnover Ratio shows how often those payables are cleared. The formula for Accounts Payable Turnover Ratio is Accounts Payable Turnover Ratio equals total credit purchases divided by average accounts payable. Average accounts payable is calculated by adding opening accounts payable and closing accounts payable, then dividing by 2. A high accounts payable turnover ratio means the company pays suppliers quickly. This shows strong financial health and good supplier relationships. A low turnover ratio means the company takes longer to pay its bills. This may indicate cash flow problems or delayed payments. However, paying too quickly may reduce available cash for other business needs. Companies try to maintain a balanced turnover ratio. For example, if a company has credit purchases of $100,000 and average accounts payable of $20,000, the turnover ratio is 5. This means the company pays its suppliers 5 times in a year. Investors and creditors use this ratio to understand a company's payment behavior. It also helps suppliers decide whether to give credit to a business. In simple terms, the accounts payable turnover ratio shows how fast a company pays what it owes. Easy way to remember. Accounts payable turnover ratio means payment speed to suppliers.